Hi there, it's Erin Wilde with the Around Town podcast, getting around town outside right now because the weather is beautiful. And well, we've got like a few weeks, until it's summertime. Can't wait to get in the water, the pool, the lake. But with that comes safety. Safety first. And I've got some professionals here to help us with water safety. Brazos River Authority and Cook Children's. Tell me your names and titles.
Kyle Lewis, assistant project manager, reservoir manager, and lake ranger, and just kind of been here several years on the way.
You always keep us safe.
Try to.
And what about you?
Hi, I'm Jillian Mitchell. I'm a program coordinator at the Center for Community Health with Cook Children's. Been there for over 10 years now, and yeah, we're just trying to keep kids out of the emergency department.
Yeah, because the numbers are really high. I mean, things we don't really even think about, but it's your job. It's what you do and what you see every day.
Unfortunately, yes. Last year, across the state of Texas, we had 103 children drowned.
Oh, my gosh.
And so anything we can do to stop that trend, reverse that trend, educate, provide, that's kind of our goal.
And what are those little things we can do that make such a difference?
I mean, first foremost, watch your children.
Yeah.
I mean, drowning's an accident, but still, anytime your kids are around water. I do a lot of school programs in different schools, Granbury, Glen schools. When I talk to kids, I tell them the very first thing you do, I back it up, I say, when you get in the car leaving school, that's the first thing you do. You put your life jacket, you put seatbelts on.
Yeah.
When you go around the water, you put a life jacket on. Before you even go around the water, first thing you do is you ask permission before you go around the water. So anytime you get ready to go to the water, you ask permission from an adult. And if that adult says, yes, we can go, then you make that adult go with you. So like the tags say, just watch your child, lifeguard your
And
child.
I do love these tags. So we're
very
going
good
to the
tags.
lake, we're going to the pool, and I'm guilty of, being in my phone too much, but we put these on and we are like giving it to a person. Hey, no distractions. You're on duty to watch the kids right now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's a really important thing. I think one of the things we see often at Cook Children's is drownings often happen during a planned swim time. That means we have planned to be at the pool or planned to be at the lake or the beach or wherever. There were adults around, but maybe assumptions are made about who's watching the kids because everybody's having a good time. And we're there to have fun. We want kids to enjoy the water. But having a designated water watcher is so important, and whether it's a verbal handoff, an acknowledgement, or having a water watcher tag handy, just 15 minutes. You're in charge for 15 minutes. You're not doing anything else. And then switch out after 15 minutes, and that way you don't get complacent.
Because drowning is silent and happens in seconds.
It is not like you see on television.
Yeah.
The TV has made a big myth about drowning. You're up, one, down, and it's up, down. It's not. It is like they have a big poster they provide for us, and it says it is silent. It is sudden and it is silent. Mm-hmm. And it takes it to the mere seconds and mere inches of water can drown a small child. So.
Yeah, and we have a water safety day coming up where
about
there's
that?
Free life jackets being given out and the fittings because sometimes they're wrong.
This is our 7th annual Water Safety Awareness Day. K-HITS has been a part of this since the second one, so we're glad to have y'all back again. You're going to join us this year for the first time. That's going to be great.
I can't wait.
We have 300 life jackets to give away.
Wow. So is it just first 300?
First 300 kids that show up, we're going to give you a free life jacket. We have people there that will show you how to put it on, make sure it's the right fit. So having the proper fit is just as important. I mean, people a lot of times will just put any kind of life jacket on a kid, and it's not the right fit. You want it good and snug. You want it to where when you raise up on the shoulders, it won't come past your ears. You want them just a little bit uncomfortable where the kids are like, that's a little bit too tight, and that's just usually when it's about perfect because you don't want it to come up over their ears. Mm-hmm. Same with it if you're in a boat. I mean, boats are more prepared. One is required by law in a boat. Any child under 13 is required to wear a life jacket in a boat. And what I tell the kids, I said, there are 2 rules. You got state rule, if you're under 13, you have to wear it, and you got mom and dad rules. They say you wear it till you're 17 and you put it on. Mm-hmm. So 2 rules apply. You got the state law is 13 and under 13, you have to wear a life jacket. Make sure it fits, because if you fall out of a boat, if it's one that's really loose and baggy, you fall out of a boat, I mean, the life jacket's going to float, but if you're not able to hold on to it, then it doesn't do you a lot of good. Mm-hmm. Same way if it's too small.
Absolutely.
You just got to hold on to one. If it's not the right rating for the weight, then it's too small to tell someone up.
So you're going to be there to do the fitting.
We're going to do the
hand out 300 life jackets.
We're going to have 300 life jackets.
What
We're going to have
else?
all kinds of fun stuff.
Okay. We fishing?
We're going to fish.
Okay.
We have kid fish coming up. We got bait provided. We've got rod and reels people can use. bring your kids out for kid fish. I mean, all the kids will catch fish. Just a lot of fun. We got adults there to help them catch their first fish. We're going to give away prizes for kid fish. We're going to give away some rod and reels, Raising Cane's just stepped up this year. They're going to give us some coupons and gift cards for kids to fish.
Nothing like Raising Cane's sauce.
How about that? How about that? So they've been a big part of it.
Awesome.
We got some other folks that are going to step up and do a lot of things. Accent Rock, they buy over hot dog. We're going to feed you a hot dog.
Okay.
You get a free life jacket. You see all kind of fun activities. Their team's going to be there.
All
We're going to have different folks with water safety. We're going to have just safety in general. Our local fire department show up like champs every year. They set
I love
their
that. They're
equipment
great.
up. They bring their fire boats out. Our sheriff's office, we have an expert come in and talk about snakes.
Okay.
He's actually going to show different types of snakes.
Oh, he's bringing snakes.
He's bringing some snakes. So if you want to hold a snake.
No.
Okay. Well, just checking.
No need for one
Okay,
for
just
that
checking,
ever in my
but
life.
we don't take the snakes out of the cages. So you're.
So for those who love
so-
snakes,
so
come
you-
hold a
You can
snake.
see them no, we don't hold it. You can see it from afar, but I mean, not all snakes are poisonous. So these are the
Still
helpful
okay.
snakes. These are the poisonous snakes. So the way I
Okay.
describe it is these snakes will hurt you. These snakes will make you hurt yourself. Getting
Okay.
away. So
Well, and that is good to know because I mean,
There
you know,
are.
I grew up in South Dakota with the rattlesnakes, and everybody's like, "Watch out for the copperheads." I'm like, "Well, I don't know what a copperhead looks like, so."
yeah, he'll have some. He'll talk all kind of snakes because say not all snakes are really bad. They're part of the ecosystem
I
and
know.
just as important. But
Just give me the heebie-jeebies.
I like to look at them, but from afar.
Safe
So, but
distance.
yes.
Yes.
But it's a fun day. Like I said, we have so many different activities going on. We're going to talk hydrology. We got people talking fishing. We got people Dinosaur Valley State Park coming to talk about the state park out
Awesome.
of Dinosaur Valley. We have educational water trailer coming in. They'll be showing how the water cycle works.
Okay.
American Red Cross, they're going to come
Okay.
out and give smoke detectors away for your house. You get a free smoke
Wow.
detector for your house.
Safety first, keeping us
Safety's
safe
all
all
safety.
over. I love it.
And a big part of this is one of the life jackets. People have a blood drive.
Oh, really?
There's
Okay.
no other thing more important than starting the summer off with full
Yeah.
full supplies of blood on hand. So carted blood care's coming out, and we're going to have a blood drive during the event
Okay.
as well. So
All right, I'll have
just
to
a
do
fun
that
day
too.
at the lake.
Absolutely. What's the day?
May 17th.
What's the
At
time?
9 to 1 at Rough Creek Park, just off of 144 South Morgan, as everybody knows it as the park behind Stumpy's.
I was just going to say the
Yeah,
park
the
behind
park
Stumpy's.
So it's a good fun deal.
All right, awesome. Well, we'll see you out there. Thanks for keeping us safe.
You bet. Sounds great. Thank you all for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.